Welcome to Embsew. Hi friend, today I'm sharing how to embroider buttonhole stitch and blanket stitch. Now I will use buttonhole stitch to secure the edge of the fabric. This stitch is used to secure the edge of buttonhole, as it gives a much sturdier stitch due to the knot it makes. The buttonhole stitch is visually similar to the blanket stitch, but uses a different method of sewing. But over time, it came to be confused with the blanket stitch. Please subscribe to Embsew channel to watch more tutorial videos. And don't forget to give this video a like to get more views. Thank you very much. Wish you have fun watching the video. I just finished doing the buttonhole stitch to secure the edge of the fabric. And steady blanket stitch. This stitch do not need to create the knot, so it is easy to make than buttonhole stitch. I will make a buttonhole stitch here again. Have a knot. Do you see? The blanket stitch has no knot. The last 3 stitches are the buttonhole stitch. the blanket stitch. They are not the same. That is sewing. In the embroidery, it will be made like this. First, I will make with blanket stitch. It's so simple. And now, I will make buttonhole stitch on each side. Make one more stitch again. Put the thread on the needle. Bring the thread over the top of the needle. Pull the thread. In addition, the blanket stitch can also be done like this. And the buttonhole stitch can also be done like this. You can also reverse the thread loop like this. This last stitch will be in the opposite direction of the previous stitching. Have you seen it? Blanket is loose, while buttonhole stitch has knot like this, so it will be more sturdier.